Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Very helpful video guys, a very quick video for any of you trying to find where the water pump, also known as coolant pump, fuses and relays are located on Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, what you need to check. Also guys, okay, we'll talk about hidden fuse boxes, information that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. And if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, they will be working in two different fuse boxes. Please make sure to stay until the end. Let's come here. I want to show you something now here. What we need to do here guys, specifically, okay, that Mercedes C-Class, 9 out of 10 owners of that generation C-Class do not know where all their fuse boxes are located. You may have up to 6-7 different fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. And what we guys need to do now here, we need to go ahead and open the hood. The moment you open the hood, you need to face your engine. On the right side here, that's on the driver's side, you see you're going to have a cover. For some models may differ a little bit, but you have a turning knob here that you need to turn 90 degrees counterclockwise. You have one like that towards the back. Leave that cover up, and underneath right here you can kind of see you have a black cover. That black cover attaches with two bolts, Torx 20 to right here, unscrew them, and underneath you have the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And guys, here, okay, some models will have that fuse, some will not. We'll talk about that. If you don't, what you need to check as well. But here you're going to have on some models one big humongous fuse which is known as fuse 107, and that will be the fuse that you will need to check. Now there could be another location for fuses as well. Now if you open the engine now and the hood, and on the left side of the engine you see that's your jump start terminal right here. If you open it, it looks, let me show you, it looks like this one right here. Okay, now this is known as a pre-fuse box guys. This pre-fuse box, okay, let me show you a different angle. That's on the back side. We have multiple fuses inside. There will be two different kinds. We have a special video about a pre-fuse box location and diagram. Check it out on the video, but most likely your water pump, coolant pump, main fuse will be there as well. I want to show you the interior pre-fuse box when you open it, what it looks like, so you can expect, you see all these fuses, the engine pre-fuse box will be very similar guys, and if one of those goes bad, your water pump, coolant pump may not work as well. So those are the locations that we usually check on Mercedes C-Class. You don't have a relay, you just have that fuse that's known as a relay fuse on your Mercedes W205. Now, you may also want to check, guys, the engine computer fuses and relays and the front SAM module, SAM module fuses and relays, because they could be responsible for supplying power to the pump as well. We'll have these videos on the channels for any of you looking for these fuses as well. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those Prefuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.